PT Speaking Retell Lecture is the fourth PT speaking task, which includes 1 to 2 lectures. It contributes scores to 2 skills, 5 to 10% to speaking and 5 to 10% to listening. After listening to or watching a lecture, you have 10 seconds for preparation. Then, immediately when the recording starts, you need to retell ideas that you have heard and noted down. For example,
some adverse effects of climate changes change agricultural production. Some lands are just merely unsuitable for growing crops. There will be millions of people facing hunger in Africa in the near future. Climate change will result in less production and less food. It is difficult for developing countries to deal with climate change due to their financial status and other issues. There are many people living in hunger, especially in Africa. The climate change has devastating effects on world economy. The tropical areas on Earth are dry and hot and are originally not suitable for food production. The change of climate leads to extreme weather conditions such as floods and hurricanes, which exacerbates the food production issues. As a result, it leads to a continuous decline in food supply annually, around 10 to 17%. And this trend is perceived to be continuing in the future. By 2017, the region suffering the most will be some African countries.
according to the lecture, the topic was about adverse effects of climate changes to agricultural productions. Then I can hear the information about millions of people facing hunger in Africa. You cannot replay the lecture, and there is only one chance for you to respond. You need to speak for at least 28 seconds so that your pronunciation and oral fluency can be fully marked. For this task, you get 5 points for each of the 3 marking criteria: pronunciation, oral fluency, and content. Practice real exam question bank on Pt.Tools and be familiar with the test interface. Enjoy your study!